Hi, I'm Wendy Vecchi. I'm at Scrapbook.com and I am super excited to share some fun techniques with my products. I'm a signature designer for Ranger and Stampers Anonymous, and that's a really big change for me. In my other life, I was a surgery nurse manager, so you can see I went from nice, neat, clean, organized to inky mess, and I love it. Totally love it. So my classes focus on inks, because that's what I truly love, stamps, and I love techniques. And I also like to do techniques and figure out different ways to use products. So my main thing I love is inks. I absolutely love inks. And I have to tell you how this all started. So about the year 2000, I was not a stamper at that time. I was still working full time. And I decided I was going to have a Longaberger basket party. And I happened to be in a little gift shop that had a very small selection of rubber stamps and this cute little ink pad. And I thought, oh, this will be pretty much fun. I'll stamp my napkins. So I did that, and I had so much fun, but I was done. So I thought, okay, now what could I do? So I found some paper plates, and I thought, that'll be fun. I'll put these little baskets on the paper plates, and that'll be good. And then the day of the party came, and I served cheese and salami and a lot of greasy things. And what sent me back was I turned to look at my best friend, and I saw her with the reverse image of a basket on a piece of cheese going into her mouth. And I freaked out because I didn't know anything about inks. I didn't know if it was toxic. I didn't know if it was going to stick to her teeth and ruin her life, and she would kill me. So at that time I thought, you know what, I better find out about these inks and how they work. And that's really how I got started with the Ranger products. Kind of embarrassing, but true. So I am super excited to tell you about my inks. I hope you'll grab a beverage and enjoy the class. Thank you so much for joining. So the more ink you add, the darker the color gets. So what is the Make Art Station? It does a whole lot more than just hold stencils. It's really like an extra pair of hands. And once you get it, it's so stinking useful. It's cute. It's just absolutely, I can't live without it now. Add a little bit of orange blossom just to show you that the color blends. I'm going to take my background stamp now and just press it right into the Perfect Card adhesive. And this is going to give us a different kind of resist. And I'm just going to go ahead and pick up some of that color. The magic really happens when you hit it with the heat tool. I can get a lot of shading and some really good detail, and that really makes your art look a whole lot better. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.